this lesson, we're going to add some social icons. So you click on the social icon element, and let's scoot this over to the right. Now, when you do that, you automatically see Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can change the name of it. You can change where it links. When you click here, it asks you, do you want to open a new window, add a no follow? You can do that as well. You can also link your images here. So you can go here right now. Let's go over to the bottom here for the basics. You can choose the inline or you can choose the list. So based on how you want this to be laid out, you can do that here. You can change that over. And if you wanted to, let's say, add another one, so you click this one and we're going to click to add another one. And let's go to add Instagram. And then click on here for the image. And if you don't see Instagram, you just have to search. It's just start typing. It's going to automatically show. You can choose the type that you want. So double click on it. And now you've added Instagram. But if you want to modify the colors so it matches, you can do that as well. You can also choose the size of it, you know, how big you want it to be. And you can choose the color. So now it matches, or you can leave it whatever color that you want. Such an easy task and easy way to be able to do this here. Makes it real cool. And you can change the style here, go to the spacing. You can add more spacing in between each item. You can add some padding. Let's click on this lock here. You can add more padding. You can change the border. How do you want the border to be? Let's go with solid. You can change the border color. And you can also change the color for the icon. You can change the hover color. You can change the background. You can change, you know, just a few things here. So go ahead and feel free to have fun however you want this to show up. You can definitely design and style this exactly the way that works with your site.